Hey guys, welcome to another video.
So today I'm at Lala Port Ebina. It's a really cool outlet mall here in Japan, in Yokohama. Really a cool place, and it's one of the biggest outlet malls in this area. So we have everything like from H&M to the best food courts to AU, Docomo, pasta, pizza, anything. So as you can see the shoes behind me. So this is one of the most famous outlet malls for like really good branded stuff, designer stuff. For like it has many stores, as you guys can see, nearly more than 100 stores I think. So there are clothes shops, phone shops, shoe shops, food courts, Lego, toys, anything you guys want to. One of the most famous shoe places, the ABC Mart, right there. It's a really cool shoe shop. So it has Nike, Adidas, New Balance, which I bought the shoe in my previous video. If you guys watched it, which you should. So this is behind me, guys. It's really a big, massive mall. Guys, so now I'm just doing a walkthrough, so let's see what we have in here. So Holy Hawk, okay, really nice name. So as you guys can see, there are different logos and very different names, very rare names if you ask me, uncommon names in Japan shops. So if you guys can see, there's a shoe shop in here, and the name of the shoe shop is Genki Kids. So if you ask me what does Genki Kids mean, like Genki, that's the Japanese word in this name. So Genki means healthy, so it basically means healthy kids. Got a kids clothes store called Breeze, and also, if you guys didn't notice, I'm whipping in my brand new shoes. So, Algae, Marquis, Jenny's, the Big View. It's a massive mall, guys. Like it looks a lot like the Terrace Mall in Shonan, which I have done a couple videos in the past in my YouTube channel, which you guys should look at. So I will try to put the links in the description. So these are the shops. It has a wide range of shopping, like stores, from clothes to food to toys to shoes to jackets to winter stuff to perfumes and cosmetics. So if you are a girl, you guys probably like Chanel, makeup, whatever you call that. So yeah, really cool area. So this is a candy shop. It has a wide range of sweets, from Japanese sweets to common chocolates, candies, toffees. So So this is Starbucks, as you guys can see. So today is a very cold day, so that's why many people are in Starbucks to get a hot coffee. So a fun fact about Starbucks is they started in 1971 by Gordon Bowker, and from that day onward it became really famous for its special premium coffee. And my personal favorite is the caramel, that one right there, the Yaki Imo Brulee. It's really tasty, it's really good. So then we have Armani Exchange. I love Armani Exchange. It's really cool. It's a designer brand with amazing designs. So it's pretty cold. That's why everyone is wearing jerseys, even though I'm not. So of course I really love this weather. So not really fan of wearing hoodies and stuff unless it's really, really cold. Can't wait to see the snow. So I just got the LA beanie, guys, so I'll show you guys what it is right now. So yeah guys, as you guys can see right there, it's the LA beanie. So winter is starting in here now in Japan, so I really wanted a beanie, a new one, because I used to have when I was smaller and it doesn't really fit right now. So I just thought that this would be the perfect one. I'm really excited. So it's really cool. Japanese people are known for their really cool packaging. As you guys can see, they're really, really neat. Got it, guys. I will be wearing this in my future vlogs. So yeah, guys. So as you guys can see, the Armani Exchange design shop is one of the best shops in here. Very, very famous, as you guys can see. So winter collection is out now in every shop, if you guys see. So that shop you have sweaters, hoodies, Gap, H&M, everything has the winter collection now. So the summer collection is pretty much over now. So start off with Armani Exchange, have the jackets, which it's not really a jacket, but it's like a sweater. So it's with a really cool design, new design as they always come up with. So this is with the zip and mostly the same, but this is the sweater. So you have a variety of colors and different materials. So this one has like cotton feeling, and this just has the color change. Really cool. I really like this one, to be honest, and this one. I really like the both. We have the t-shirts. Yes, the shirts which are really cool. So I have a t-shirt which is really similar to this one, and there are new collections as always. So I'm gonna keep on having some new jackets, as you guys can see. So this is called the Smiley World, and it's a new collection for Armani. And then we have the shirts, the hoodies, shirts again, and then my most favorite part, the shoes, the sneakers. These look really cool. I personally love these ones. And this black and white comes in these two colors. And this shoe, so this sort of looks like the New Balance, the ones I got in my last video. So the green ones, it's the new drop from New Balance shoes. So this is new drop from Armani Exchange. So the two colors again. So there are a variety of shoes. And this one also really caught my eye. And that one. So literally everything caught my eye in this shop. So if you guys go to school and if you guys are a school fan, you have the backpacks right there to match out with your hoodie. So from the Smiley World collection. So and then we have these. So as you guys can see here, we have the belts in here now. So we have these different types of belts. So one with the Armani Exchange logos and many different varieties. So we have jackets. Yeah, the jackets, the t-shirts in different colors. So this is for, yeah, this side is for men's. So yeah, this collection. So yeah, the sweaters on this side, right there, and then another one of my favorite parts, the watches. Start off with these two. So this one matches my New Balance shoe. Then this way it sort of looks like a Rolex, to be honest. We had straps for the watches. Armani Exchange watches are really cool. We have the hats on this side. Different styles, whichever one you like. This one looks really cool. And something really cool is a beanie like the one I just got. But this is Armani Exchange. We have the leather gloves for the cold, and it even works for the style. Backpacks here. Really cool. So as you guys can see, so now I'm on my way to H&M, as you guys can see right there. So we have, looks pretty much a lot like the terrace mall. Yeah, area for people to sit. Then we have these different types of oil and cosmetics. We have Japan quality makeup in Japan, and we have jewelry right in here. Then as we make our way towards H&M, we have another clothes shop called Elura. So it sells women clothing, I think. Yeah, probably. Yeah, it sells women clothing like office jackets, handbags, purses, everything. Bijou Sophia, Evangel, another jewelry shop. Jewelry shop, so these people make jewelry. So as you guys can see in here, these are the side bags from Takio Kokuchi. So most of these items are made in Japan, so they don't really have the famous name made in China in them. So it's basically all made in Europe and Japan. So no offense to China, but I'm just saying, because China, like everything is in China in the world, but in these malls, so there's not much made in China stuff, but it's mostly European stuff. It's really cool. And we have different trendy bags and trendy jackets, and we have everything trendy. So trendy is what we need to be in these days. Belts, different vanity bags. And Japanese people are known for their hospitality staff. They are really kind, and they don't force you to buy anything. They just do their job. It's really cool. So we have some beautiful jewelry for men and women. This mostly looks like for men. This is for women, I think, probably. Yo guys, so right now we have the leather jackets. So these stuff are 100% of everything. This is 100% leather. It's not artificial, it's real leather, genuine leather. We have these shirts, it's everything. Really cool. Office shoes. These shoes are really expensive, so they are like mostly over $100. Some bags from the collection in front. Okay, so really cool collection. bit of H&M, so it's pretty messy at some places, but everything is winter, so it's a winter collection. Like everything is long sleeve, mostly made out of cotton. So this is 100% recycled polyester. It's really cool. So I have the shirt, like the t-shirt of this this pant, and then so this is the pants of that, which I need to try on to see if I can buy that. So this is the men's side. It's pretty vast. So as you guys can see, everyone is buying their jackets, hoodies, and the new additions to their collections for the winter, which is coming up in a few months, because Christmas is coming up and everyone wants to look sick, like look really cool. So these are the clothes, really cool. You guys can see this is a brand new Toyota Sienta. It's the brand new camping vehicle for Toyota, as you guys can see right there. And then we have the 2022 Voxy right here. So something really cool about these marketing of Toyota is that they keep some really cool animals, some really cute animals. Look at how cute he is. Aww. This van is really luxury, like really cool. Look at this. You have your own charging port for each seat, and there's another part of this van called executive lounge, like the executive edition. It's more luxury than this. It's really cool. And then the race. So we bought this brand new Voxy Executive Premium Lounge van. It's the fully upgraded one, so I just bought 2 of them, which is really cool. And we got the fully loaded one, so there's some cool here facts. We have a charging port for each and every seat, and everything is Type-C. Really cool. There's a lot of space. I think even cooler is, guys, that it has its own leg rest like that, and it has a leg rest, and you can get this leg rest down, and you have a lot of space. So 2 people can go in the back, 2 in here, and 2 in the front. So it's six-seater because it's a luxury version of the van. So yeah. So that's the end of the video. So I bought my Toyota Voxy today. I got 2 of them, one in the deep purple and one in the white. So I'm really happy today. So thanks to him, we got everything done. So yeah. Thank you very much. Have a good day. So I'll be giving you guys an update when I get the test drive done too, because we already done ordering. So Toyota gives you a complimentary test drive. So I will vlog you guys that part too. Thank you. Have a good day. Take care. Thank you.
Stay tuned for part 2.